taking off these tires, there's a clear issue with one of them. You know, you could say down in the comments which one you think it is, but obviously there's a difference between this wheel and this wheel, specifically in this region. So it seems we have a bent rim situation going on, and well, I think it's definitely going to help to rotate it at least and put this in the back. This was the front driver's side wheel, so I think any performance, I was feeling kind of a clunking sound at certain accelerations, and I definitely don't think this would help. A very clear bump. I took the tires off to see if there's anything like that on this one, and we see down here, you know, right where this code is, there's no bump. I mean, it's supposed to be a perfect circle, and there's a very clear bump there. So we're gonna start with moving that to the back. We're gonna see how the other tires look, but that's definitely a good thing to know, and maybe marking this tire as the bent tire. So we'll see if the other ones, if there's any bends in those, but we definitely found something.